Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds mini earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG smart TV that has WebOS. So the first thing is, let's put these earbuds in a pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take out the earbuds out of the case. And as soon as you take it out, give it a few seconds and wait. You'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, okay? None of these are blinking at all. That's because I'm currently connected to another device. It's currently paired to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus smartphone. So let me go into settings here to my Bluetooth settings. I'll go to connections, Bluetooth, and yeah, you can see I'm paired and connected to this phone here. So let me turn off Bluetooth. As soon as I turn off Bluetooth, look at the earbuds. It's off. Now you can see one of the earbuds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So now it's in pairing mode. So now we're going to hurry up and go to our LG TV here. Go to the settings. You can click on the home button, or you can click on the settings button on the remote as well. But if not, click on the home button and then you can navigate to the setting, the gear icon right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then it's highlighted on settings again. Let's just click on the settings. Give it 1 second here. Okay, now from here we're going to go down one to sound right there, and then we're going to select that, and now we're going to go down to sound output. Currently the audio is coming out of the TV speakers, but we want it to come out of the earbuds, so we're going to select on sound output. And then from here we're going to go down to wireless speaker right there. So we're going to select wireless speaker. We're going to go with Bluetooth. Select that. And now that little spinny thing down there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. One of the buds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. And we can see it found the JBuds Mini down there. So we're going to go ahead and select that. It says connecting. 1 second, and voila, we are now connected, ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues, if you can't get into pairing mode, or you had trouble connecting or put it into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.